Hey guys, my name is Steve from Pacific Lawn Sprinklers. Today I'm here with William Clack. We're down in Columbia, South Carolina. Will's been a franchise owner for about 3 years now. How long you been doing irrigation, Will?
Roughly about 20 years.
20 years, okay. What brought you over to Pacific?
Well, I was working for another fella. Things didn't work out with him, and I found Pacific online. Talked to y'all seem like a good help for me and a good fit. So we tried it out and I'm still here.
All right, cool. So Will, started down here in his hometown, and when you started with us, we didn't have any customers. Basically, you were coming in to this fresh. So what do you think about, our system and getting you up and going with customers? Have you had steady work? How's that process been?
Yeah, it started off slow. But as the website and everything kept progressing and customers kept coming, word of mouth, it got real fast. It started off okay the first year. Second year, I doubled what I did, and hopefully this year I'll
doubled it again. Cool. What would you say to, another guy, a lot of guys watching this and stuff, they're, some guys have been doing irrigation a while, or maybe they haven't, but they're a little scared to get in touch with us. They're a little intimidated by the franchise. What would you say to them, or, advice to them, or?
There's a lot of work at the beginning, because you got to get set up, trained, get everything right, business license, all that stuff. So it takes a lot to get started, but once you get started, you just follow the template every day. Very simple after that.
Oh, cool. So we make the process easy. So where do you see yourself going in another few years with this franchise?
Hopefully I'll have a couple more trucks and be the biggest in South Carolina.
All right, perfect. Well, that's what we're aiming for. Always to be the biggest in the area and to keep growing Will's area as big as we can make it. We have the system in place. As long as you can get the guys and keep doing the work, we got the work. So, all right, well, that's Will's story. And thanks for being a part of Pacific. He's a hard worker. And then we'll see you guys soon.